Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a Likert scale field to Contact Form 7 plugin. So let's get started with this video. For this functionality, we need to install a plugin first. To do so, hover onto Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, search for add-ons for Contact Form 7. From various plugin here, we need to install this plugin here, so click on Install Now. Once done installing, simply click on Activate. To configure this plugin, hover onto Contact and click on Ultimate Add-ons. You can see various add-ons here which you can turn on as per your requirement. To add Likert scale field to our contact form, we need to activate the star rating field like this. Once done, simply click on Save Changes. Now let's create a new form by clicking on Add New under Contact. Let me give this form a title first. I will simply remove the message field and add rating field in its place. Let me edit the label name first. Now to add star rating field, you can simply click here on star rating tag from form generator tags. You can make changes here as per your requirement. You can edit the name and even change the values accordingly. Once done, simply click on Insert Tag. Now let's save the form. Before embedding this form, we need to make some changes in the message body. To do, let's move to Mail tab. Simply copy the tag from here and scroll down to Message Body. Let me edit the message body like this. Once done, simply click on Save button. It's now time to embed this form, so simply copy the shortcode from here and let's add a new page. Here, let's give this page a title and paste the shortcode. Once done, it's now time to publish the page. Now let's preview the form. Let me make a test entry to show you how this Likert scale field works. So one can select the number of stars as per they like. Once done, simply click on Submit button. Let's check the form entry now. You can see the rating here. You can see the details filled by the user here. So this is how you can add Likert scale field to Contact Form 7. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.